All right, welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 18, which is on CSS pseudo-classes. We are looking at anchor tag states. So I'm excited to get into this. Let's go. An anchor A tag has 4 states. Link, when the link has not yet been clicked. Visited, when the link has been clicked. Clicking a link visits that linked page, hence the name visited. Hover, when the mouse is hovered over but not clicked the link. Active, the moment the mouse is actively clicking down on the link. We style these states using pseudo classes. In the example below, we specify the anchor element selection, a colon, and the name of the anchor state. So a hover would be when you're like hovering over it. And then that's supposed to turn it yellow. Okay, so let's give the first 2 states a try. Do this in the CSS file. So we're going to click on that. Add a rule to style the link state of the anchor element. All right, let's give this a shot. So I'm assuming it's going to be a link. And then what are we doing to this? Add the color property with a value of your choice. So color, do you have oh, you do. Fabulous. Okay, so we have maroon. Font size, I want to make it a bit bigger, so let's go 24 pixels. There we go. Now it's seeable. All right, this will define what your links looks like when it has not been clicked. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so I haven't clicked it yet, therefore all of that works. Okay, fabulous. Add a rule to style the visited state. Okay, so we're going to do a visited. Okay. And color, we're going to say green. And then font size, we're going to say 30. So not too much bigger, but slightly bigger. Now, what I'm wondering though is why it changed to green. I don't think I clicked on it. Click on the link. A new tab with google.com should open. Come back to WebLab to see the changes to the look of your link. Alright, so let's refresh and save. A link, color, font size. Alright, a visited. Huh. Alright, let's give it a shot. Click. It's going to take me to Google. Alright, then when I go back, it's green. Maybe I did click on it. However, it is green now. So, visited, check. Okay. I know I did everything right. Let's change this to a different color. Let's change this to pink. There we go. Okay, so it's not going to change because I've already visited. Okay, that makes sense. But that's okay. I did the code. I got the answers. We're in it to win it. And I'm going to click the orange finish button and move on to the next level. And be careful about what I click next time. So here we go. See you over there.